Hello again. In this video, we're going to configure your MemberStack custom fields and plan redirects. So head over to MemberStack to quickly configure these for your signup and login pages. Firstly, this template only requires a user's email, first name, and last name. And the first name and last name fields already come set inside of MemberStack. If you'd like to add more custom fields, you can do that over here. And if you're using any of these on the sign-up page, you can head over to Webflow and add a new input field and bind that to MemberStack by simply copying. So if I created a new input field and create a new custom field over here, I would then copy over these attributes and replace them over here in the new input field. This template also allows your users to log in and sign up with their Google accounts. So to enable that, you would head over in your MemberStack app and scroll all the way down to your settings over here, and then go to your auth providers and enable the Google Auth provider over here. If you don't want to use this, just delete the field inside of Webflow, so this field, and then keep this one disabled. All right. So now let's configure your pricing plans. Before this, please connect your Stripe account by heading over to your, right here, Stripe settings in your MemberStack app, and then connecting your Stripe account here in order to add the prices to your plans. When this is connected, and then you can create your plans, so your paid plans. Right now, the base settings for this template allow a user on signup to go to the pricing page. And if you want to redirect them elsewhere, you would change that over here. When a user buys a paid plan, they will be redirected to their dashboards. So you can also change that over here to whatever page you'd like to redirect your users when they've purchased a paid plan. For now, these are the only settings that you'd need to configure in MemberStack to make this template work. I'll see you in the next video.